How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to talk about hummingbird. It is the smallest living bird of any kind. They have long wings and muscular bodies. They can fly forward, sideways, straight up or down, or even backward. Yes, hummingbirds are the only birds which are able to fly backwards. Many hummingbirds have brightly colored, glittery feathers. Often the males are more colorful than the females. The birds are named for the humming sound made by the rapid beating of their wings. They live in forested and wooded areas where there are plenty of flowers as well as grasslands or meadows. They have long, needle-like beak, perfect for reaching into flowers for nectar. Their main diet consists of this nectar from various flowers as well as small insects like aphids, beetles and mosquitoes. The female builds a cup-shaped nest from moss, seed down and spider webs. Hummingbird's egg is about the size of a jelly bean. They generally lay 2 eggs at a time. There are more than 360 hummingbird species. These birds are extremely smart. Their brain is larger in comparison to body size than any other bird. The average lifespan of a hummingbird is 5 years, but they have been known to live for more than 10 years. They visit hundreds of flowers each day. Now let's begin today's rhyme. So let's get started. Hummingbird, hummingbird in a tree, why are you looking down at me? I strongly wonder what you see when you look down from that tree. Hummingbird, hummingbird in a tree, why are you looking down at me? I strongly wonder what you see when you look down from that tree. Let's sing it all together. Hummingbird, hummingbird in a tree, why are you looking down at me? I strongly wonder what you see when you look down from that tree. Hummingbird, hummingbird in a tree, why are you looking down at me? I strongly wonder what you see when you look down from that tree. If you like my today's rhyme, then hit like button, share it with your friends and family. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, hit subscribe button too. Okay, bye.